Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
While hue saturation shifts existing colors uniformly, a duotone maps two specific ink tones across your image's tonal range, creating a mood that simple tinting can't replicate. To set one up, first convert your image to grayscale through Image Mode, then to duotone in the same menu. Photoshop asks you to pick your inks. Choose black for shadows and a deep teal for highlights, and suddenly your photo carries a cool editorial weight. Swap teal for warm amber, and the same image feels nostalgic. Click the curve next to each ink to control how it distributes across shadows, midtones, and highlights. Two colors, infinite atmosphere. It's tonal storytelling at its finest.